Well, this morning, still a lot of unanswered questions about long-term COVID-19 effects, which can leave lasting symptoms for months.
We reached out to an expert to get the latest information as scientists work now to try to get answers. ABC Action News reporter Larissa Scott explains who's more at risk and how the vaccine affects you.
Right now, the CDC is working to learn more about long-haul COVID-19 and if the long-term symptoms eventually resolve.
My heart goes out to anyone affected with COVID, but especially this group of patients that are not getting better.
Some people who contract the virus can have symptoms for weeks and even months after they test negative. Researchers are learning the most common long-term symptoms are fatigue, joint pain, shortness of breath, and brain fog.
So this is significant. Whether it's driving or shopping or whatever, this is a real problem.
Right now, it's unclear how long this lasts. Doctors tell us there are some people who got COVID-19 last year and still have long-term symptoms. Experts say this version of the virus can happen to anyone who's been infected, even if they have no symptoms.
So they can have a very mild illness, but be crippled with this long-haul COVID, or they could spend a month in the ICU and get it.
Here's what doctors know about who's more at risk for getting long COVID. Studies show women are more likely to get it, patients who have had multiple symptoms of the virus very early, and people who have blood clotting issues. Even if you're vaccinated, experts say it's still possible you could contract the virus with little to no symptoms and get long COVID.
We think that it reduces the amount of long-haul disease, but that is not proven.
Doctors say there have been some cases where someone with long-term COVID-19 have gotten better after getting vaccinated.
So we don't know what to make of that.
The CDC says more research is needed to determine if that's true and how the vaccine affects long-term COVID-19. They're launching multi-year studies right now to investigate these lasting effects and how to treat them. Reporting from Tampa, Larissa Scott, ABC Action News.